Silence does not exist. Everything is sound. When we remain silent at home, we are not truly silent. We are constantly accompanied by the sound of the 50 Hz, which is the frequency of the electrical current in our homes. The electrical current in Italian homes is 230 volts at 50 Hz. These 50 Hz can be imagined as a wave, a sine wave, that repeats its cycle 50 times per second. I will let you listen to this amplified sound that normally appears imperceptible. Recently, I watched Chiara Luzzana's TED Talk in Genoa, which inspired me to make this video. She is a sound artist and composer of soundtracks. She has thoroughly covered this topic and also produces music by recording sounds from cities. I'll leave the link to Chiara Luzzana's TED Talk in the description. Thank you. See you soon.